All right, here we go. The 2022 report card. The good, the bad, and the ugly. Oh, let's go. All right, hello everyone. Welcome back to Trade Talk Tuesday. Let's get into the first half scorecard of 2022. I mean, if this was a report card, then the market just failed. A big, old, fat F.
I know it's not ideal, but it's who I am.
All right, the major market averages just logged their worst first half of any investing year going back to 1970. All right, even over the last quarter, the S&P 500 fell more than 16%. It was the largest one-quarter fall since March of 2020. And then it moved it into bear market territory, and it's down 21% from the record high that it set in January. Think the Dow and the NASDAQ are any better?
Not at all.
The 30 stock Dow lost 11% in the second quarter, putting it down more than 15% for 2022. And then the NASDAQ, it had its largest quarterly drop since 2008. It lost 22%. And these losses pushed the tech-heavy composite deep into bear market territory, down nearly 32% from an all-time high set back in November.
It was at that moment in that dumb restaurant with that stupid look on his face that Mark Baum realized the whole world economy might collapse.
So the NASDAQ, it's down 29% year to date. So let's address this head right on, right? The good, the bad, and the ugly. Okay, what's not working right now? Well, clearly high growth tech is not working. Three worst performing stocks in the first half of 2022 were Netflix, Etsy, and Align Technology. They were down 71%, 67%, and 64% respectively. You can check out the Netflix chart. It's garbage, right? On the plus side, what is working? All right, well, the top three best performing stocks were all energy stocks. OXY, which is Occidental Petroleum, Hess, and Valero Energy, they were all up respectively 103%, 43%, and 42%. All right, so they are really the only things working in this market right now. And this last week, JP Morgan came out with an analyst call that said that energy stocks are now the best bets in the market right now. So for you at home watching this, how do you play energy stocks? How do you avoid all that other nonsense? Well, the best way is through using the Energy Select Sector Spider, which is the ticker symbol XLE. All right, so with this one ETF, you get the top holdings in the energy sector, which include ExxonMobil, Chevron, ConocoPhillips, EOG Resources, Marathon, Pioneer Natural Resources, Phillips 66, and Kinder Morgan. So as we head into the second half of 2022, we don't know if stocks are going to recover or not, but we do know that the best performing stocks so far this year are energy. So if you want to find some shelter, if you want to protect yourself, if you want to actually grow your money here in 2022, XLE is the best way to do that. But this is not a play to hold forever. It's a play to hold for right now while this storm passes. Once it passes, there's going to be some great stocks to scoop up on the bottoms, on the lows. We'll get to that in future episodes. But for right now, take shelter with the XLE. And there you have it. That's your Trade Talk Tuesday episode for today. As always, I'm Bryan. Stop hating, start trading. Cue my exit music.